Hello, this is Bloodshot 9001. If you're watching this, it means you would like to downpatch your version of Deadlink to any of the previous versions, probably for speedrunning purposes. Older patches of Deadlink have some glitches and some other things that just make them a little bit more appealing to speedrun on. So if you head over to the Deadlink speedrunning Discord, we do have a resource here, and it will be pinned to the chat, that details how to downpatch your files. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down to your search bar and type run. In here, you're going to want to type steam://open/console. That will open your Steam console. From here, what you want to do is you want to type in download depot, and then you want to do Deadlink's app ID, which is 1676130. Deadlink's depot ID, which is 1676131. And then what you're going to want to do is put in the manifest ID. And the manifest ID determines which patch you're downloading from. So, as shown, the Speedrun Discord has a list of the important patches. This will be updated as soon as new patches come in, and we will do our best to try to elaborate on what the changes are. But for our instances here, let's say we want to do release day, which allows you to infinitely re-roll Chuck's implants. So we would just copy this, paste it here, and then hit enter. And what this will do is this will download all of the folders and files needed for that patch into a certain location. So once this is done, you want to move over to this file path, and that will be located here. You'll see all these files and folders. You can ignore these two, but you want to grab all of these. And from here, you can move over to where your Steam files are located. It might be different for you, but this is where it is for me. And from here, you can put them in your Deadlink folder. Now, what I like to do instead of just doing that is I actually have different folders for each different patch. So, for instance, for the release patch, I have put all the files here. There may be something missing from here, like your saved folder. These are not your actual save files. Those are located somewhere else. And your save files should work between versions, at least so far. If that changes, we will update the resources in the Speedrun Discord accordingly. But you can grab this as well if you need it. Put that here. And what you would do here is you would rename this to just Deadlink. And once you run Deadlink through Steam, it will look for the folder named Deadlink, and it will play through here. And as long as you don't have automatic download set, this shouldn't ever get overwritten. If you ever do need to or want to update, I would just take your current folder, maybe copy it or whatever you need to do, and then rename it to Deadlink and then update that one. But from here, this should be ready to run. So there's no easy way for us to tell which version we're on by checking the files or anything. There may be a way, but we haven't really looked into it. But if you go and check the actual differences in game, you should be able to tell whether you're on the right patch.
You're new here.
So for here,
Here
I'm on release patch because I'm able to press spacebar to re-roll the implants at Chuck. So that is a very easy way to tell if you've been able to downpatch successfully.